Tom, wake up!
What is it? Oh no. Oh no!
Move! Move! We are so late! Hurry, hurry, hurry! No time. Let's go. Let's go.
Where is my blue shirt? Sorry.
Just keep moving.
Good enough. Let's go.
This suitcase is a disaster. Charger, yes. Extra shoes, no. Medicine, yes.
No coffee today. Very sad day.
Close, please, close!
Did it close?
Yes, finally! Wallet check. Keys check. Passport.
Passport check. Wait, where is your passport?
I don't have it.
Check your bag again!
It's not there! It's not there!
Here! Next to the coffee maker!
Oh, thank you, thank you. Okay, now let's go.
Phone?
Yes,
Charger?
yes. Let's go.
Door is open. Go, go, go!
Which is faster, stairs or elevator? Elevator, come on!
Ground floor!
Ground floor!
Ground to floor!
Faster, please, faster!
Excuse me, sorry, coming through! Hey, what's the rush?
Okay, we need a taxi, right now.
Right!
A taxi!
What does the app say?
9 minutes! 9 minutes!
Forget the app! I'll find one!
Oh, thank goodness.
Perfect timing. Let's move!
Our flight is at 9. Please hurry.
I will try my best. How much time do we have?
Maybe 40 minutes, if traffic is okay. Flight is still on time.
Good, that's good.
Come on, green light! Comb me on!
Don't look, it makes it slower.
Is there a faster way?
Driver, can you take the highway? "22 minutes on the map.
We need to run when we get there.
Finally, open road.
Yes, drive fast, please. Tom, airport sign, we are close!
Okay, Get ready to run.
I can see the planes.
We are going to make it. I know it.
Here! Stop here! Thank you! Oh, keep the change!
Got the bag. Let's go. Move, move, move!
Don't stop!
Okay, we are inside.
Find the departures board, fast! There! The board! Come!
Boarding. It says boarding.
Still open! Run!
Excuse me, sorry, coming through! Excuse me, coming through!
Gate, what gate?
Gate 14, this way!
That lane, shorter!
Laptop out, shoes off, go!
Boarding pass ready?
Yes, in my hand. Clear.
Me too! Get the bags!
I'll fix the bag later.
Yes, gate first, everything else later. How far is gate 14?
Far, keep running. Ten,
Almost there.
12.
Don't stop.
Keep walking, don't stand.
I know, I know. Gate 14, I can see it.
The door is still open. Go!
Never again. We set 3 alarms next time.
Agreed.